Hey guys, what's up? You're watching Kaya Creates. I'm Kaya, and today's project is slime time! I made a rhyme! Okay, so this is our first slime that we will be making today, and it's regular slime. It only has 2 ingredients in it, glue and activator. We will be using half a cup of glue. Let's pour that in now. The glue's not coming out very well. Let's just scoop it out with our spoon. Try to get as much glue as physically possible out. There we go. And we will be using about a 1/4 cup of activator. And now we are going to stir, and it should start clumping up pretty quickly. At first it'll look kind of slimy and different sections of everything, but eventually it'll clump up all together. And look at that, it's already clumping. You want to keep stirring until it's in a little spot so that it'll just all go together. And you want to stir a little bit longer, and you might want to add just a little bit more activator. Personally, I like my regular slime a bit sticky, but not too sticky that it's sticking to my hands too much. So I like to add a little bit of extra activator, but it all depends on what stage you are at. Now let's just keep stirring. Now we're going to keep stirring just for a little bit longer, and it should start to get hard to stir. And it's kind of getting hard to stir, so we're going to start using our hands. There we go. And we're just going to put the spoon down and grab a little chunk. And it should feel like, when you're picking it up, it should feel like not super gooey and drippy. It should feel more a bit like clumpy almost. And you just want to stretch it like this and just play with it like that until it starts to not stick to your hands. And then you'll just want to keep adding a bit more. Now it will change color just a little bit, so it will go lighter. So as you can see, it's going a bit lighter. Now the glue that we did use is glow-in-the-dark glitter glue, just to make it a bit more fun. So if you use white glue, it won't really change the color. But if you do use any white glue or clear glue, you can add color. You can use food coloring or paint or anything really. And look at that. It's already almost done in this little chunk. So once it's almost entirely done, you'll want to add some more. So you'll just grab another chunk and add it in. Because basically what you're trying to do is you're trying to get it so that there's lots of air going into it. So just keep playing with it. And this chunk is almost already done as well, so we're going to add more, and this time we'll add a bit bigger of a chunk. Now we're almost done with the slime. All we're going to do is just grab the little bits that are in here. We're just going to dab that up and put the stuff over top like that, and then just keep mixing it in. Now this regular slime is probably one of my favorites. Of course, my favorite is probably fluffy slime, which, spoiler alert, is the last one that I'll be doing. And then it's all of the texture slimes, and then it would be this, because this one is just so stretchy and it's great for making bubbles. But it can take a little while depending on how much I'm making to make. So there we go. And we are all done with this slime. Now, once you're all done, it should come off of your hand like that. And when you put it on, it should come off right away. There might be little bits that are still sticking, but that's okay. It all depends on how much activator you want to put in. If you don't like it sticky whatsoever, then you'll want to put a bit more activator in. But I like my slime like this. Now, we are all done with our regular slime. There it is. Let's go do the next slime. Okay, so this is our second slime that we'll be making today, and this is foam ball slime. As you can see, we have our foam balls. Now, this is only 5 ingredients, which can be a lot, but that's okay. The ingredients are the foam balls, the baking soda, the glue, which we will be using clear glue today so you can see the foam balls, water, contact solution. Now, first thing that we start off with is our glue. We use a 1/3 cup of glue, 1/2 cup of glue, sorry about that, 1/4 cup of water, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 4 tablespoons of contact solution, which we have already measured out in here. And then we add our foam balls. We are going to add our foam balls in just a second. You want to start stirring it and then add it right after. So start stirring it. It's already starting to turn very quickly. We're going to take a chunk out and add it in. You don't want to add everything in. Now we are using blue foam balls today, and they are sticky. So they are the sticky blue foam balls. You can get them in any color. Now what you want to do when you have the foam balls is you want to start chopping them up so that they get all loose and so that they're not clumping together in the slime. So you want to chop and stir. Now you want to make sure you don't add too many foam balls, which we might have here, but that's okay. Chop, chop, chop. Now this one does take a little bit longer than all the other ones that we will be making. So you want to make sure that you have that time to make this. Just want to chop up everything. There we go. Just keep stirring. There we go. Now, because this is clear, you can definitely see the foam balls and you can't quite see the slime, which is okay. Now, I would say it is turning into slime already, so let's just start playing with it with our hands, but in the bowl so that we still get the water. So the water is very important, even though it seems like it's probably not that important, since it is there and not in the slime. Although lots of it has gone into the slime already. Now, the contact solution is also a bit in here, so you want to make sure that you do get all of that in there. That's okay, because you will probably have some left over, and that's okay. You can just dump that out into your sink. Just want to keep playing, and it's already turning into slime. Now, this is a slime, but it's not as stretchy as the rest of them. But it is still lots of fun to play with, especially if you like textures, because this is a very interesting, fun texture. And there you have it. We have our foam ball slime. Now, sometimes the foam balls will fall out, but that's okay. You can just put them right back in. And you just want to get a bit more of the water. And there you have it, the foam ball slime. Okay, so this is our 3rd slime that we will be making today. It's marshmallow slime. It's an edible slime, so you can eat it, but it doesn't taste that good. Now, there are only 3 ingredients. The marshmallows, which we will be using 12 marshmallows of. Cornstarch, a quarter cup of cornstarch, but we will be adding more than that, so. And some oil. Now, the first thing that you do is you want to put your hair up if you have long hair, and you want to make sure that you're allowed to use the stove, because we will be using the stove for this. But you could use a microwave if you have to. Now, the first thing that we do, besides checking with everything, is that we put the stove onto medium. So, now that we have our stove on medium, what we're going to do is we are going to wait a second and put the oil in. Let's just screw that off. And we just drizzle it. That's a bit much. Oh well, it can never hurt to have too much oil, except for the fact that it doesn't taste that good. And then we put our marshmallows in. There we go. Now we're just gonna wait a second and we're gonna start stirring. Constantly. It's just every once in a while you'll want to do a little flip. It gets them so that it will melt a bit faster. Now let's keep stirring. Now they've started to melt. So once they start really melting, you'll want to mix them a bit more than what you were doing. So a bit more constantly, but you can still take a little break. So if you're not stirring it, don't worry about it. Now we're just going to speed it up until it's all the way melted. Melted enough. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna set that to the side for a second, grab our bowl, move everything to the side, and we just pour this into the bowl. Now this, you might want some adult help with this. And the marshmallow is in. We are just going to put this to the side and turn the stove off. Don't forget to turn the stove off. And then after we have our marshmallows in, we pour the cornstarch in. And remember, we have a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. There we go. And we're just gonna start mixing it together with the fork. Mix, mix, mix. And once it's mixed up a bit so that you don't have a whole bunch of cornstarch just laying around, then you're going to start mixing with your hands. And you should start mixing with your hands fairly quickly. So don't worry about it if it's still not turning quite into slime, but it should start clumping like that very quickly. And if it's not, then you might want to put it on the stove for a little bit longer or put some more cornstarch in it. Now we're just going to mix for a couple more seconds. There we go. Now, in this, you can never have too much cornstarch. So we're going to add just a little bit more cornstarch to it. And then when you start mixing with your hands, you want to put cornstarch on your hands so that it doesn't get too sticky. Okay, I'd say it's getting pretty hard to mix with the fork, so it's time to mix with our hands. So we grab some cornstarch, put it on one hand, and just mix it all together. This slime is pretty messy when you start mixing with your hands because the cornstarch gets everywhere. So just grab a little bit, play with it with your hands. Oops. And you just keep, playing with it, stretching it until you are done with all of it. Okay, so the last slime that we will be making is fluffy slime. Now, there are only 3 ingredients, not including the color, which we will be using blue paint as. Now, the 3 ingredients are white glue, shaving cream, and activator. Now, you use half a cup of glue. Just pour that right in there. There we go. Half a cup of shaving cream. There we go. And a little bit of paint if you want to use some color. A bit more. There we go. And 2 tablespoons of activator. There we go. Now you want to make sure that you have the same amount of shaving cream as you do glue. Otherwise, it won't work. So if it feels like it's too much shaving cream and it's just like too fluffy in the next minute, then it means that you need to add some more glue. And if it's too sticky and it's not looking fluffy whatsoever, then it means that you need to add a bit more shaving cream. Now it should start clumping like this. And if it's not starting to clump, then it means that you'll need to add a bit more activator. And you just want to wait till it's like really clumping before. Now, because there's lots of shaving cream in there, you will want to add, depending on how much color you want in it, you will want to add more or less color in it, as you would normal slime. So if you want a brighter color, as in like the same color as you would for normal slime, you want to add more color in it, because it will turn very pastel-y very quickly. And look at that, it's already starting to be very sticky and starting to clump. So that means it's time to play with your hands. Now, when you start to play with your hands, it should be almost entirely done. To be realistic, like see, it's pretty much done now. It's just barely sticking to it is sticking to my hand, but it's not, only a little bit actually comes off. And it should be pretty stretchy, but sometimes it'll break and that's okay too. And you just want to keep playing with it until it's how you like it. And there you go. Super quick, super simple. I would say fluffy slime is probably one of my favorites. It's up there. Now, this is the fluffy slime. If you want it to be a bit less sticky, you can keep playing with it, but this is how I like it. There we go. That's fluffy slime. Okay, this is our 4 slimes that we made today. We have our regular slime, which is super fun, and it's glow in the dark, which we'll see in a minute. Ooh, and the bubbles that you can make with it, super awesome. Look at that, there's a bubble right there. This is our glow in the dark slime. So much fun when it's in the dark. There's our feel slime, which is our foam ball slime. Super nice feeling, not too much of everything else, but still super awesome. There we go. We have our marshmallow slime, edible, super fun to make. Takes a little while, but still super fun to play with. And we have our fluffy slime, which is just fun in every way. Now that's our 4 slimes for today. Join us next week.